Hey guys, just walking around the shop. Got this job waiting for us. Have to weld the end and then recut that key. Customer's kind of waiting on that. Got a few other projects going on as well. Got these little bushings running over here. Be in a later video. Then we got this lathe running. Got to make one of these nuts for a rotor. Some fun little simple job as well. And we also got this end bell up here that we got to re-sleeve. After it gets bored out, we use these sleeves that we ordered, and we just cut them to length and then bore them out to the bearing specification it needs to be.